In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find on sale in Printify if you're looking to boost your margins or test new products without a big upfront cost. The on sale section inside Printify's catalog is a great place to start. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to look for so you can quickly spot the best deals. First, open Printify in your browser and head to your dashboard. From there, focus on the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation area, and it's where you'll find access to all product discovery tools. Look for Catalog and click it. The catalog is where Printify organizes every product you can customize, from apparel and accessories to home and living items. Once you're in the catalog, locate the option labeled On Sale and select it. This switches the view to a dedicated section that only shows discounted products. It's a fast way to narrow your search to items that are currently marked down, helping you compare base costs at a glance. Now you can browse the available products. You'll notice that sale items are clearly labeled, often with a sale tag or a reduced base price. Use this view to scan categories you care about and keep an eye on product types you already sell, since a temporary discount can make a familiar bestseller even more profitable. Remember that sales can be time limited and may vary by variant, so treat the display as a snapshot of what's discounted right now. When something catches your eye, click the product to open its details page. Here, you can see everything that matters before you commit. The print provider offering the sale, the printing method, available colors and sizes, fabric and material details, and the production and shipping estimates. This is also where you'll confirm that the sale applies to the specific variant you want, since some discounts only cover certain colors, sizes, or print providers. Take a moment to compare the discounted base price to your target retail price so you understand your potential profit after shipping and fees. If the product supports multiple providers, check if any alternate providers also have sales, as switching provider can sometimes improve fulfillment times or shipping costs while keeping the discount. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to the catalog, open the on-sale view, scan for items with a sale label, and review the product details to make an informed choice. Use this process anytime you want to refresh your store with cost-effective options or run promotions with healthier margins.